currently buying my mother some Mother's Day gifts. I'm gonna have it delivered to where she is. I'm just hiding this information because this is what I'm getting her. These are 24 cookies. I know mommy's not eating 24 cookies, so I'm getting her the bundle that has 12. I'm getting her Mother's Day bundle, and I'm also getting these little strawberry assortments. Yeah, balloon bundle, if I didn't say that correctly. Edible arrangements. Hi guys, so I'm about to get my nails done at this place called Booze. And I'll come back when I'm in the car and explain to you guys why I get my nails done, because talking behind this is hard. From where I left off, mega start off there. From where I left off, so I got my nails done. Oh, hold on, might be blurry. I didn't get to do anything for my birthday for myself, so of course we were all wearing masks. We were all wash our hands and things like that before I got my nails done. But this is what it ended up looking like. Let me show you. Can't really. Oh, my hand don't look that cute. It looks like that. But today I had a little situation which I'm not gonna go into depth about the situation, but just to let you know, I had to file a police report. A man threatened me, and I just want to bring that out here as well. Like he threatened me, and I don't take that I don't take that lightly, even if he had meant it as a joke or he meant it in a spur of the moment anger.
Hey, we're ready.
Yeah. All right, guys, I'll be right back.
Oh my God.
So I'll come back and tell you guys what happened. I'll tell you the rest of the incident. I'm not gonna obviously share everything. You probably can't hear me, so I'll talk to you guys later about it. So just enjoy the drive out. So the bookstore that Shoshana had planned to come to is closed. we are oh, look at the wall art. The wall art looks nice, but you can't see it. So we're gonna go in the car and figure out where to go from there. Yeah.
Like all them I know, like them Kingston bookstore or Sangsters. That's so annoying. Like, this could have been a phone call.
It really could have. So they weren't answering their phone, and the information on the website wasn't updated.
It even said like the updated one was the coronavirus one that they'll close early, like 3 or something.
Yeah. Oh, look, they have Game of Thrones. But I'm not pay for it down here. Game of Thrones is expensive. Look at me to knowing Game of Thrones. I can always recognize Game of Thrones anywhere.
I love that painting.
The one with the right there? Yeah, I tried to show them, but
and the girl who painted, she's so sweet.
really?
Such a nice girl.
I never liked how they always looked at graffiti as a bad thing. Yeah, it's like when it comes to
how it started out.
well, let me finish now. When it comes to defacing somebody's property, then that should be looked at as a bad thing. But graffiti in itself isn't ugly, and it's actually really beautiful, especially some people who own buildings or empty lots and allow people to put graffiti on it. It really brings art and uniqueness to the community. I just never liked how people looked at graffiti itself. I think defacing someone's property is bad without their permission, obviously.
Because a lot of the graffiti that we know it as nowadays came from gang related.
Yeah, when they
tags all over people's property and making political statements or whatever it was. Sometimes dirty, disgusting.
This is Ligony.
But now it's evolved into something better than that. So.
Most definitely. I don't think I've shown you guys Ligony in a long time. So welcome to the drive out. Ligony is definitely the more uptownish area.
Like, who forgets the 2 o'clock meeting?
It's Jamil. Hi Jamil, if you're watching this right now.
I forget at 2 o'clock. I asked Jamil what time she can do my ear. I'm be grateful still, but I asked Jamil what time she can do my ear. She said me get forget her time. I said 2 o'clock. She said yes. Like an hour and a half later, she called me. Oh, she have a 2 o'clock meeting. Who remember a 2 o'clock meeting? If somebody said them want them here at 2, sure.
So Shauna is going through a crisis right now, and all the she keep getting every red light that any of the lights have to offer. So Shauna catch it.
Plus the bookstore closed. Plus Jamie look at she can't in my ear. And listen, the day
Everything
is
is
going great.
But guess what? We're still alive. We're still alive. Me not suffer underneath this mask in the car. Me I tell you that. Me I tell you that. I want to go into Ashley's one of these days and do like a furniture shopping, just because I'm bored and not because I'm gonna buy nothing.
I'm so sad that book of Gilead closed.
Yeah.
Like that had like.
Watch out now. I don't like when car did that, you know. It might block up the whole way.
New Kingston at least, and it's on the way.
Oh, let's go. Yeah, let's go. Move your crosses, no man.
And let me can move.
Oh, yo, man. Yeah. Ooh. Coronavirus. I caught that. Yeah. So when I have more interesting, well, not interesting, because nothing going interesting right now. When I have so much cars. So like I was saying before, let me just end this off. I had a situation earlier today where like I said, I was threatened, so I filed a police report, and yeah.
No, come on. Emma, next time.
I wouldn't that reach up on
Not even when I had no coronavirus. Look, do it. Put in the chop.
I don't think they can see it, but anyways, it kind of shook me up a little bit, but I'm alright. I got my family here, and my cousin wouldn't let anything happen to me. Gang. Yeah, so if anything comes out of that, I will keep you guys updated, but for now there's nothing else that I can do. I'm just gonna be cautious of my surroundings. When I can do that thing, and just come on, stop. So we're in the busy New Kingston. It's not that busy, but it looked like a regular day. Yeah, we're going to the bookstore. I haven't seen some of these places in such a long time that they look so different. Like, I'm like, is that the color of Island Grill? Just, was this always here?
I want to have a poetry session and a bookstore session here. At one point.
Yeah.
It wasn't fun right now. It was like a long-term goal.
Oh, it's very spacious. Hello. Yeah.
Can I help you find anything?
Yes. By any chance, do you guys have any Jordan features somewhere?
Guys, so we're now at the Pegasus. The man was asking me, why are you filming? So that was my cue to turn off the camera in the bookstore. So Shoshana bought a book, and then I'm gonna come back next week for a Japanese textbook if they have any. But now we're at the Pegasus Hotel, and she's gonna buy me a slice of cake Oh my god. Not me, but anyways. Bye. It smells really nice in here. I've been here before last year. They need to clean that, man. Like, how are we supposed to see the beautifuln's of the cake?
I like how this one is a full thing.
Ooh, and if they have a cute little circle box. Alright, let me stop. Kyle had bought me a birthday cake too, which I thought was so nice. I want to buy myself something too.
Do you want to go and ask about something?
Mama bread for true.
What's one of your favorite type of cake? What, man?
I've had enough Black Forest.
Yeah, that's too. I really like this.
That's cute.
Yeah, I'll go with the cute one.
Yeah.
Strawberry cheesecake.
The man here well want attention.
Which flavor should I do?
Anyways, this chocolate ganok cake. That looks. This one looks. Oh, it's just.
Is it chocolate to the picture?
It's cute. Anyways, I'm gone. Cause the man here, I look attention from somebody. Oh, vlog, you guys are blurry. So Sashawn and I are at Belly Bus and we're getting cheese patties. We're burning up. I'm burning up, you baby. We got some water from Pegasus and they gave us in these strong, sturdy plastic cups with a rim, and the water was nice. But somebody's telling me that it was tap water, but because it was free, it tasted so good. They probably have a filtration system with their thing. It was delicious and it was cold. Yeah. But anyways, we're along the boulevard, or that's Washington Boulevard. Yeah. I just want to.
Some construction.
I see some people doing construction. Make sure you guys like the video, turn on your post notifications, so you never miss a video, and also subscribe if you aren't subscribed, because everybody's saying it's free. So make sure you subscribe because it's free. Our order is coming up. I'm gonna end off the camera here because I'm the one holding everything. They don't give no. Oh, I lied. I lied. They're gonna give a big bag. Tasties charge $20 for a bag after you're paying all this money for a food. Let's say you buy like 10 patty, they want to give you the 10 single patty.
And cheese patties are for $210. Well, you have a bag. Oh, I forget so you pay them. Really trying to forget.
Whoa. But anyway, this is really hot and I'm gonna take this and hold on to them something here. So I will see you guys later. Before I get monetized, I'm gonna put a pause on that. I haven't forgotten about a lot of the things that I said I was gonna upload for you guys. I just wanted to reiterate, or at least bring up that I haven't forgotten that I'm going to do the video with me trying snacks from my childhood. I haven't forgotten about me answering some of the other questions that you guys had left in a post from way back when. I also haven't forgotten about a bunch of other small videos that I said I want to film, which I most definitely will film. Sorry if I'm sweating, like there's nothing I can do about it, but I'm just you should have seen what I just saw. I'm just on the road. I'm gonna go get some gas for the car, and then yeah, I've edited a video, I've uploaded it. It's taking forever and change to process, so it's processing right now. I don't know where I beep fine since the light about to change. Anyways, yeah, the video is a what the video about? Jesus, when I could have just gone, I know I could have gone a long time. The video is about investing. I want you guys to go check it out. I'll try to leave a little tab button for you guys to click. Also there will be links down below. Go and check out some of those. Yeah, I don't know why the people are going so far. What? I'm going to the house now and I'm listening to some insecure reviews because I don't know, like I feel like I'm learning a lot from these little reviews, not in the sense where, you know, I'm learning some coding or I'm learning, you know, something educational in a sense, but I'm picking up a lot of things from these people and their different opinions on what happened in the show. If you haven't watched Insecure, you should definitely check it out. I recommend it for everybody, especially black people. It doesn't matter the age, it doesn't matter the gender, it doesn't matter what the hell you're into. Insecure, I feel like, is just great at touching on black lives and how we go through day-to-day feelings with work, responsibilities, friendships, love, and everything that falls in between those different dynamics. So what I'm doing right now, taking some notes. I'm gonna go live at 7 o'clock, so I have 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. I'm gonna write down some notes on what I want to talk about on my live. Yeah, I don't want to ramble and I want to make sure I touch every topic. So the general overall topic is love, but I want to focus on love in friendships, love in relationships, love when it comes to family. And when I say relationships, I mean like significant other relationships, love with family, and toxic love. So those are the topics. Well, those are the subtopics, subheadings. So I'm gonna write down some notes and some bullet points of things that I want to touch on. So if you guys want to be a part of my live, and if you want to be a part of my live, because I'm gonna prompt people to call and interact in the conversation, just make sure you're following me on Instagram at Bicana Brown. And I'm trying to put up little let me show you. I'm trying to put up, I need to call my grandma back because my phone died when I was talking to her and I haven't called her back yet, but I'm about to. I'm trying to put up little not previews, but I don't know what I'm call it. Just to show you all that I'm going live. So, you know, it's a little thing. Just say I'm going live today at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Questions and calls are welcome. The topic is love, family love, etc., etc., etc. So I'm giving people time to get prepared, get ready. Like I said, make sure you follow me on Instagram. This is what my Instagram is looking like. Oh Jesus, I'm so sorry guys. So hard to, yeah, I'm thinking about like reorganizing my Instagram. Not that I can move anything, but I think I might find a theme and try to stick to a theme. But I'm not about that theme life. If I take a picture and I feel like the picture is cute, I'm gonna post it just as it is. I don't like this. I didn't edit that. I didn't add any lighting, anything to it. This one too, I didn't edit that either. This one too, I didn't edit that. Yeah, but this one was taken on Snapchat with a filter, just like filter to smooth over the skin. And like this video has a little vintage filter to it, but other than that, so I'm thinking about doing something to make my Instagram look more lively. But anyways, it's 4 minutes. I gotta go. Oh, make sure you watch my last video with Jamie, investments. Make sure you watch my video after that, because I know I'm about to edit a video of a vlog. So if this isn't in that video, make sure you go and watch that vlog. Yeah. All right, bye.